Alright, this is a quick review of the 9-Light Amaryllis Chandelier from Home Depot. Got this again through the Home Depot Siege program to review. So I got it unpacked. All I did was take it out of the box basically and unwrapped it. So this is how it's going to come. Obviously none of the glass covers are put on. And what you need to do is rotate all these out once you pull it out of the box, which is not a big deal. They're pretty easy to do. There you go. So there you have it without the light covers put on. I don't believe it comes with bulbs. Let me check real quick. Yeah, the bulbs are not included. It's all stainless steel. As far as the weight, it feels pretty solid, so I don't think it's cheap material. And it looks like it's fairly easy to install. You have your ground wire and then your two your hot and your neutral. And it has basically a hook on the top that you would hook it from once this is mounted. Doesn't seem to be too big of a deal. And we'll open up one of the light covers so you can see that. There we go. Alright. So they are a frosted white. Put that on and screw it on, I believe. That's pretty much what it's going to look like. Double check that. Yeah. Actually, this comes off. Okay, so that actually comes off and goes all the way down on there. Then you put this little collar on. And then the threaded top. Actually, it looks like it's not going to be that fun to screw on. You screw it on like that. And there you have it. I think it's a pretty decent light, well made, and I would recommend it.